Hey everyone, it's Colaiacovo with pepperitmarketing.com, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix fuzzy images that you might have on your blog posts. And this would also apply for your website pages. In particular, I'm going to show you this using a WordPress website or blog. And what happens is, and this was actually inspired by a recent issue that one of my team members had with one of our clients' websites. So she was on there, and I was reviewing the blog after she had prepped it, and the image was really fuzzy that she had on there, and she couldn't figure out why the image was fuzzy. Now, I did try to go back and replicate the issue. Sometimes I can and can't do that, so this doesn't exactly look too fuzzy, but you will notice if your image looks really fuzzy. And what typically happens is it's the manner in which you've uploaded the image into the blog post. So I'm going to show you how to go through that and the proper way that you should be doing it if you're going to be uploading images to your website and to your blog posts in particular. Blogs are more of the spot where you would be doing the changes all the time. So when we're in here, and I'm just in the visual mode, not the text or the HTML version of this, we've got the image in here. So typically when I see one that's really fuzzy, what has happened is it's gotten uploaded, and I can always tell by hitting the edit button. It's been uploaded and has been using either one of these medium or thumbnail sizes or the custom size. So it's really messing up with what's happening with the image, and it changes it and pixelates it a little bit so it looks fuzzy. So the best way to fix it, you don't have to re-upload the image. You can just click on it and click full size, and then you just hit update. And so it puts it back in their full size. Now, if you do want it smaller, because a lot of people will want to have that happen, so maybe you want to align the image on the right so you've got the pictures on the left. So full size, it might be huge, and you want to shrink it. The best way to do that, to resize it so that you don't lose the clarity in the photo, is to click on the image, and you'll see the four corners pop up where you can change the size. Hit the shift button down on your keyboard, and then grab the corner and move it and change it into the smaller size. Hitting the shift button means you'll change the sizes without changing the ratio. So you won't swap out and change the width and the height into weird and odd sizes. So that is the best way for you to do that. So you just grab the corners, and then it should look just fine. So if you're running into these issues where you're taking a look at your blog post and you think, well, my image looks really fuzzy and I can't read the words if you have words on it like I have on this one here, and it just doesn't look clear, that's the best way to go in and fix it, is to just click on there, click on the image, hit the edit button. You will probably find that it's got one of these other options on there, and you hit enter, and then it looks a little bit fuzzier. So this is typically what it would look like here. So hit the edit button, go back to full size, hit update, and then resize it the way that you want to, depending on how big you want that to look. So that is how you just quick and easy go in and do a fix like that onto an image on your website when it looks fuzzy. Last thing you want is to make sure that you took the time to create the image, so make sure that people can read that. And then don't forget too to add that in as a featured image if you use that on your website. So I use featured images on mine. You can see I've got it in here, and what that does, for those who may or may not know what a featured image may look like or do, and it depends on how you have your blog set up. But on mine, I have my feed on the blog page. So when we click blog here and it shows the different blog posts, I have it showing my featured image. So that image will show up in here on the side. If you don't have that on your website, you don't necessarily have to hit that button, featured image, but I thought I would explain what that meant for you, just in case you weren't sure what a featured image was. You also have to watch it, because there are some sites set up so that when you hit featured image and you go into a blog post, it will actually put the featured image right up at the top, which I don't typically recommend, because you're wasting a lot of space where you're trying to get people to read the content on your blog. You're filling it all up with the image. So be cautious on that as well. So that is how you would go in and fix fuzzy images that you might have on your blog posts. I hope that lesson helps you out. It's a quick one. And if you're looking for more tips and tricks, definitely visit my website at pepperatmarketing.com/blog. There's all sorts of information there. And on my free resources page, you can download a variety of different types of ebooks or quick checklists and guides on how to do more with your marketing. This is Kathy Colaiacovo with pepperatmarketing.com, and I like to help you out by giving you the straight talk about marketing that you can trust. Have a great day, and feel free to click on my website and subscribe to me on YouTube, where I put up other helpful tips and videos like this one. Have a fabulous day, everybody.